Listen up, 2025 is the year you stop begging banks and start building real business credit power. No personal guarantee. No risking your social security number. Here's how to lock in $100,000 in pure business credit step by step. Step 1. Build your business foundation. Don't skip this. If your business looks like a side hustle, lenders won't take you seriously. Register an LLC or corporation, not a sole proprietorship. Get an EIN from the IRS, free IRS. Gov. Set up a professional business address, no P.O. boxes, no home address. Create a business phone number and list it on 411.com. Build a website, professional email that matches your domain. These 5 things make your business look credible to lenders and the credit bureaus. Most people fail here. They skip this foundation and then cry when they get denied. Step 2. Establish business credit reports. There are 3 business credit giants: Dun & Bradstreet DUNS number, Experian Business, Equifax Business. Go to D&B and get your free DUNS number. That's your business credit ID. Without it, you're invisible. Step 3. Start with Tier 1 Net 30 vendors. These are starter accounts that report to the bureaus. Not all do, so choose wisely. Examples: Uline Office and Shipping Supplies, Granger Tools and Equipment, Quill Office Supplies, Summa Office Supplies. Order small. Pay on time or early. After 3 months of perfect payments, your business credit score will start forming. Step 4. Move to Tier 2 revolving accounts. Once you've got 3 to 5 Net 30s reporting, you can go after real lines of credit. Amazon Business Line of Credit, Shell BP Wex Gas Cards, Office Depot, Dell Business Credit. These accounts report high limits, and they build your paydex score fast. You're stacking creditworthiness. Step 5. Jump to Tier 3, the $100,000 level. When your business credit score hits 80 and you've got at least 10 accounts reporting, you're ready for the big leagues. Divvy Ramp Brex Corporate Cards, no PG, Truist Business Line, Bank of America Small Business LOC, Credit Suite Partners and Fundbox lines. At this point, you're unlocking 10K to 100K in business credit, all under your EIN, not your SSN. Step 6. Keep your credit clean. Business credit is a game of reputation. Pay early. Keep utilization below 30%. Never close old accounts. Every month of perfect payments, more credibility, more funding. Bonus tip: stack funding sources. Use NAV, Com, or Credit Strong Business to monitor and fast-track your growth. These platforms help you find lenders that match your business credit profile automatically. Final word: this isn't a scam. This isn't secret knowledge. This is the real path. The lazy never finish this, but if you follow it step by step, your business becomes its own bank. No personal guarantee. No risk to your name. Just leverage done right. If you want more step-by-step breakdowns like this, subscribe.